Hi, my name is Shirley and today I decided to record this Hormonal Harmony HB-5 review to help you with extremely relevant information. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Hormonal Harmony HB-5 is, be careful with the website you are going to buy Hormonal Harmony HB-5 from, as Hormonal Harmony HB-5 is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Okay, I understand you were in a rush, so I'll go straight to the point. But what is Hormonal Harmony HB-5 after all? Hormonal Harmony HB-5 is an advanced hormone balance support dietary supplement in the form of small capsules that helps with hormonal issues such as weight loss resistance, exhaustion, brain fog, and anxiety. Half of the world's population suffers from hormonal imbalances, which can lead to a variety of diseases. People who have hormonal imbalances frequently struggle with severe weight loss, poor cardiovascular, gut, and urinary tract health, depression, anxiety, and abnormal body functioning. The supplement HB-5 aids in the treatment of 5 major hormones. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 assists the 5 hormones in achieving balance and improving their function. How does HB-5 work? This dietary supplement aids in the removal of the 5 hormonal impediments that contribute to weight loss resistance. Thyroid, cortisol, estrogen, insulin, and leptin are the 5 hormonal blocks. Addressing all 5 of these hormonal impediments is made simple by scientific research. These hormones are to blame for insane eating habits, hunger pangs, food cravings, increased heartbeat, weight loss problems, irregular menstrual cycles, insulin resistance, imbalanced blood sugar levels, cholesterol problems, poor cardiovascular functioning, and muscle dysfunction. Benefits of Hormonal Harmony HB-5. Filled Circle. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 boosts our body's ability to burn fat. Filled Circle. It lowers the level of bad fatty acids in the bloodstream. Filled Circle. It prevents the accumulation of visceral white fat. Filled Circle. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 promotes healthy insulin levels. Filled Circle. It aids in the regulation of leptin levels. Filled Circle. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 reduces food cravings. Filled Circle. It uses natural ingredients to help you lose weight. Filled Circle. It corrects hormonal imbalances and helps to balance your hormone levels. Filled Circle. It aids in the clearing of skin, making it fairer, smoother, and softer. Filled Circle. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 improves your mood and energy levels. Filled Circle. It supports metabolism and brain function as well. Attention! HB-5 comes with a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means if you change your mind about this investment for any reason whatsoever, simply contact customer support team, and you'll get an instant refund. So, I recorded this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site where you are going to buy Hormonal Harmony HB-5. And second, this program has already been proven to work for many men and women across the world. If you have any questions you can leave it in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to purchase Hormonal Harmony HB-5 at an exclusive discount, I've added the link to the official website in the description below this video. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like this video so that this information reaches more people. Bye.